Awwadaay is located 525 kilometers east of Ethiopia capital Finfinne, or Addis Ababa of Oromia region. This is the heart of the country's chart world. Cash crop is traded 24 hours a day, the busiest hours being from dawn to 9 a.m. The busy crowd market is a bustling space. Pushing, shoving and being grabbed by the shoulders is all common practice in the aisles of the marketplace. However, unlike other chart markets in the country, the people here are some of the friendliest. This area of Oromia region, in which chart has got the status of cash crop, it is one of the major sources of foreign exchange earnings to the Ethiopian economy. It has a strong demand at local and overseas markets, and sold daily in both markets. Bundles of chart are packed in makeshift sacks amongst other leaves for safety, and the worth of the pristine harvest directly from the source farmer to the exporter can sometimes be as high as $2,000 a bunch. Whereas a source mediator to the exporter will be a price market of per kilogram. Trucks leave Awwadaay daily, heading to destinations such as Djibouti, Somaliland and Kenya to deliver the in-demand leaf. It is estimated that from 30 to 35 tons of chart are sold daily in local and neighboring countries, while more of unknown numbers of kilos of dry chart are exported across the world. From 2012 onward, study shows that this plant ranks the fourth largest export in Ethiopia, earning more than 205 million euros. However, thousands of farmers and traders here in Awwadaay were systematically congested to not benefit from the country's economy share. Government official, secretly involved in the chart business, to collect an illegal tax-free benefit. Most of these officials who were indirectly involved in the chart business, were members of former Tigrayan People Liberation Front TPLF. The disastrous business monopoly by these networked officials has been common to see dominating on other businesses throughout Ethiopia. The system designed in collections of taxes, by both regional and federal governments in which most of the revenue collected by the federal, were totally corrupted and unfair. Moreover, this type of double taxation is not witnessed in any other commodities of trade. Therefore, it's very clear to see, the system was exactly designed for this type of exploitation. The government collects large sum of foreign exchange earnings and revenues from taxes on export transactions and uses that in government's budgetary expenditures. However, it's unlawful that the government does not provide any incentive of compensation to the farmers of chart. This is Isaac Mo. From Bool to Media. Long hours of working barefoot steeps their legs in the mud. These poor farmers' needs, and their fair share, must come first.